Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Anissa Oktaviani dari kelas 11 AKL 1. Saya di sini akan menceritakan sedikit kisah tentang Alexander Fleming, yaitu penemu antibiotik atau yang dinamakan penisilin. Selamat menyimak. Alexander Fleming is a doctor and bacteriologist who has changed the science of modern medicine by discovering the first antibiotic substance which later became known as penicillin. Born on August 6, 1881 in the rural area of Longfield, East Ayrshire, Scotland, Alexander Fleming came from a farming family. Fleming had worked as a shipping officer in London for 4 years before being able to continue his education at the St. Mary's Hospital Medical School in 1901 with the help of scholarship and inheritance money from his uncle. He qualified with distinction in 1906 and began research at St. Mary's under Sir Ambrose Wright, a pioneer in vaccine therapy. He was elected professor of the school in 1928 and emeritus professor of bacteriology, University of London in 1948. He was elected Fellow of the Royal Society in 1943 and knighted in 1944. Early in his medical life, Fleming became interested in the natural bacterial action of the blood and in antiseptics. He was able to continue his studies throughout his military career, and on demobilization, he settled to work on bacterial substances which would now not be toxic to animal tissues. In 1921, he discovered in tissues and secretion an important bacteriology substance which he named lysozyme. About this time, he devised sensitivity titration methods and assays in human blood and other body fluids, which he subsequently used for the titration of penicillin. In 1928, while working on an influenza virus he observed that mold he developed accidentally on a Staphylococcus culture plate, and that the mold had created a bacteria-free circle around itself. He was inspired further experiment, and he found that the mold culture prevented growth of Staphylococci even when diluted 1800 times. He named the active substance penicillin. Sir Alexander wrote numerous papers on bacteriology, immunology, and chemotherapy, including original description of lysozyme penicillin. He served as president of the Society for General Microbiology. He was a member of the Pontifical Academy of Science and honorary member of almost all the medical and scientific societies of the world. He was rector of Edinburgh University during 1951 until 1954, chairman of many boroughs and cities, and honorary chief Dojito of the Kiowa Tribe. He was also awarded doctorate honoris causa degrees of almost 30 European and American universities. In 1915, Fleming married Sarah Marion of Killala, Ireland, who died in 1949. Their son is a general medical practitioner. Fleming married again in 1950 1843. His bride was Dr. Amelia Corsory Foreca, a Greek college estimaris. In his younger days, he was a keen member of the Territorial Army, and he served from 1900 to 1914 as a private in the London Scots Regiment. Dr. Fleming died on March 11 in 1955 and is buried in St. Paul's Cathedral. Finally, the quote from Alexander Fleming, "One sometimes finds what one is not looking for," yang artinya seseorang terkadang menemukan apa yang tidak dia cari. Sekian dari saya. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.